I-Democratic Alliance yaseGauteng iphakamise inkxalabo malunga nenkqubo yokujonga iindlela endala yeSixeko sase-Ekurhuleni. Isithi ibeka abaqhubi beenqwelo-mafutha emngciphekweni nanjengoko iindlela zigcwele imingxuma engade ilungiswe. Eli qela licaphula impendulo evela kuMphathiswa wezendlela nothutho Diale-Tlabela eqinisekisa ukuba umasipala wenze uvavanyo olupheleleyo lothungelwano lwendlela okokugqibela ngo-2019 ukuthetha ukuba amagosa athembele kwiinkcukacha-manani ezindala. IDA icela uhlaziyo olukhawulezileyo kwinkqubo yolawulo lwendlela kunye nesicwangciso sokulungisa esicacileyo.
The city of Ekurhuleni has an outdated road monitoring system and is putting residents of the city in danger. The dysfunctional system is leading to potholes and road maintenance not being done, forcing motorists to use unsafe roads. In a reply to a DA's question in the Gauteng legislature, the MEC for Roads admitted that the pavement management system, which is used by all municipalities to assess the conditions of their roads, is not up to date in Ekurhuleni. The MEC confirmed that Ekurhuleni last conducted its full assessment of its road network back in 2019. This means that officials are relying on outdated data to maintain the roads in Ekurhuleni, and this means that only reactive maintenance is conducted. The consequences are already visible. Nearly 1 in 4 roads are in a very poor structural condition. Maintenance is delayed or misdirected, and residents pay the price through vehicle damage and increased transport costs. Even more concerning is that the city has admitted that the delay in updating the system is due to the financial crisis it is currently facing. This is a clear indication that basic infrastructure planning is not being prioritized, which reflects a governance failure. Municipalities are required to manage and maintain infrastructure. Failing to keep an updated assessment of road conditions undermines service delivery and wastes public money. Ekurhuleni cannot fix what it refuses to measure. The city must urgently appoint a contractor for the pavement management system.